Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to unlike everything on Instagram. Before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel. It helps me out a lot. So basically what you want to do is you want to come to Instagram. Click on the bottom right to go to your profile, and then top right on the hamburger menu. Once you are here, you want to go to your activity, and from there you want to go to likes. Click on likes, and this is everything you ever liked. So you can filter the newest to oldest, oldest to newest, all dates, content types, etc. What you want to do is click on select at the top right, and then just select all of the posts. Click on unlike, confirm it, and now as you can see, I don't have anything left. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.